Want the latest Windows 11, safely downloaded straight from Microsoft with the official ISO? First, go to the official Microsoft website. I've already placed the link down below in the description for you. Here, you'll always find the newest official Windows 11 version that Microsoft has released. Now, scroll down to the section called Download Windows 11 ISO file. Next, select the Windows 11 edition you want to download. Then, click the Confirm button. Next, choose the language you want for your Windows 11 installation. Here, I'm selecting English. Then, click Confirm to continue. Finally, click the Download button to save the Windows 11 file to your computer. Choose the location to save the file, then click Save. Wait for the download to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this may take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes. Now you have the official Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft, ready for installation. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB. Wishing you success, and see you in the next video.